Kaf Fichado, which is lesson 22, and Geall-Cuid, so the promise part 6. We're on Lachna Chachain, page 1. And well, we have Bob and Kathleen, you want to alternate for us?
Oh, the whole thing?
Just read one line, then we're going to go around. So you guys can't help out on the translation until everyone else is exhausted.
Okay, just one
their
check for
vocabulary.
everybody.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we'll have you read one, and we'll try to work through it. Then we'll have,
Okay.
Treasure and clog be shachter pos reva saskuena.
okay?
Skuena?
Skunya, right?
Skunya.
So Taresh, Ur, and Chlig. Anyone?
Great is the time of the clock.
Past.
Past the hour on the clock.
After an hour.
After.
Okay, so Taresh is after Ur and Hig, after an hour of the clock. Vi Shachter Fos Riba Saskunya. So Shachter,
There was
That was
7.
already
7 people. 7 people, Shachter. Fos, still in this case. Riva. Okay, in front, Riva, in front of him. Saskunya, in the queue, in the line.
Oh, in the line.
Yeah.
Okay. in the
Okay.
queue.
Oh, at the bank?
Remember, he was in the doctor's office when we
Oh,
left him a
okay,
few
yeah,
weeks
yeah,
back,
yeah,
a month ago or so.
Yeah.
He's still waiting. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
He's afraid he caught something.
So, Kathleen, you want to read number 2 for us?
Hui sé amach chun cainte les an galíonn ag an jask.
Okay, so Hui Shemach.
When he out.
Okay, he went out. Hun Kaincha.
To
To talk, yeah. It's towards speaking or to speaking. Leshen Galin.
At the
Girl.
Egan desk, right, at the desk. Okay? Yeah, you're not supposed to help us,
sorry,
Kathleen.
Okay, sorry.
So, but you can read one for us. Bob, read one, if you don't mind. Number 3.
Jeffrey Aram, a Durche lady.
Anjeffer, Oram.
I'm in a hurry.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Such a hurry.
Yeah, such a hurry. A dirt chalet.
He said.
To her. Okay, he said to her. Kathleen?
Ar wischte leat éirí ag an doctor, mise a ligan is Jack anish.
So, Ervishtalat. Does anyone know what that means? Anyone on that one? Ervishtalat is would you mind? Okay. Iri an doctor.
Getting the doctor.
Yeah, anyone know what Iri means?
Just had
Ask the doctor. Misha a ligan ischach.
That has to do with pigs.
Yeah, it wasn't the pig story. Ligas chachme, what is in Ligas chachme, what does the lig mean? Let me in. So
Yeah.
Misha a ligan ischach.
Would you let me in?
Me to let in. Anish.
Now.
So Ervishtalat, would you mind? Kiri an doctor, asking the doctor. Misha a ligan ischach. Me to let in. Anish now. Okay? Bob?
Stan and Kelly there with Divas.
Okay, so Stan and Kaliner the divas.
The girl was unimpressed.
Hey, worse than unimpressed. How about so Stan and Kaliner stared the girl,
Air?
On him.
on him, at him. The divas. Mass is disdain is that's what it is. Yeah. Mass is respect. Divas is disrespect or disdain. Okay. Kathleen, number 6.
Fecin an doctor a kid áthar stan ord a dagan siad is Jack.
Okay, so Fekin and Doctor,
The doctor will see.
a chij ocher. So what ocher is?
Another.
Ocher is a patient. Yeah. Actually, the word for ambulance is ocherchar. So patient car. Okay.
Okay.
Ocherchar. Okay. A chij ocher is his patients or his portion of patients, kind of thing. San ord, a dog and shidisjach.
In the order they came in.
In the order they come in, yeah, a dog and shidisjach.
And Doggin is.
Comes from the word tar, or it's related to tar, which means come. Tarishjach, come in. Hanig shidisjach, he came in. Tagin shidisjach, he comes in. Okay, so it's an irregular word. 7, Bob.
Near Hanjig, the house of Foss.
Okay, near Hanig, the house of Foss. That means near Hanig.
He didn't
Didn't come. What didn't come? Anyone know what shall means? Shall is turn.
Oh.
Okay.
It doesn't-
Right. Yeah. Okay. So didn't come your turn yet. Your turn didn't come yet. Okay. Number 8, Kathleen.
Tharing column nota, kega euro, a mock, as a valash,
A valid.
a valid agus shin
Heen
she,
she.
heen she, hickey a.
So haring column nota chuige euro amach as a valid agus heen she hikie. So haring, does anyone remember that word?
He took
Sarah?
it.
It's actually, yeah, I took out, pulled out actually, yeah. Haring column nota chuige euro.
50 pounds.
50 euro.
Okay. Amach as a valid
Was valid,
agus heen she hikie.
and he handed it to
Yeah.
her.
The word sheen means literally to stretch, and so it's to give someone something to someone. You can hand something to someone, you stretch it out towards them. So heen she stretched it. Hickey is towards her. A is it, the bill.
Why
Okay.
couldn't they spell all with a U? I hate that thing in there.
With a
It's an
U?
alien letter.
Okay. Hickey is towards her. So heen she he stretched. Hickey towards her. A it. Okay. And then number 9, Bob.
Inchi and Targa de Resh Hige.
Okay. So heen she
She stretched out. She stretched out the money.
erash
To him.
back to him. Yeah, she gave it back to him.
And put the last word.
Or handed it back to him. Chige means to him.
Oh, he did.
Yeah. So it comes from
The pig, right?
hugam is towards me. Hugat towards you. Chige towards him. Chiki towards her. Hugan towards us. Hugav towards you. And Huku towards them.
Do we remember why he was at the doctor's? I can't remember.
He wasn't
Because it was
together.
hungover.
We'll find out more when he talks to the doctor here. Okay? So these are all used, and so when you, with the word sheen, which means to, it means to stretch out, but also means to hand. You hand something to someone and use a form of chig here to mean to that person. So those should be, if you have the charts, either the colored ones or the ones Patricia made, you should be able to find that column there. Okay? Number 10, Ketchling.
Mas mín leat an doctor a eáil, ní mór ditch, Deutsch, a dlacha sa siomra fehev.
Okay, so must mean that. Does anyone know what that means? Must mean that.
Something to you.
Yeah, it means if you want to. So short for ma is me and that, so if it is a wish for you, with you. Okay, must me and that. And Dr. Ekal,
Doctor.
ni mordich. You don't know what that means.
Not big.
It means you have to. Okay, it's one of the ways you say you have to, ni mordich. Deutsch of Laka. You know what Deutsch is?
Place.
Place, Deutsch. Your place. Laka, take. So your place to take. So Shomra Fehev. In the waiting room, the room of waiting. Right? Okay? 11, Bob.
Scrub column and not the nahi.
Wahi.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Wahi. Getting half blind here. Scrub column and not the wahi. Pug sul yata irhi agus deal aran shamra fehev.
Okay, so Skub, Column, and Nota Wahi. Yeah, he took it, he grabbed it back from her. Skub. Okay. And Wahi is from her. Okay. Hog sul iata arhi. Hog is gave, so literally it's like gave a wild eye on her. Okay, give her a bad look. Okay.
Harvey.
What's wild? How do you pronounce
Glared at her.
wild?
Actually, Fiata. It's like he gave her a bad look. Okay.
The evil eye, yeah.
Yeah,
Would
yeah.
it be more wild than bad?
No, more like bad, yeah. Okay. Agus Dill Eran Shomra Fehev. Return. Phil is to return. Okay. Dill is past of it, so he returned Eran Shomra Fehev, literally on the room of waiting. Okay. 12, Kathleen.
See,
He said.
he say she's Gaduvok agus shai
Haisha.
high shay a fain in Irish Arish.
Okay. So he says she is.
Sat down again.
Goduach.
Black?
Darkly?
Yeah, gloomily or something like in a bad, dark.